At number 1, we have this adjustable futon sofa bed. Switch from sofa to bed in seconds. Press the 2 buttons on the iron frame and unwind. Modern yet timeless design fits living rooms, studios, and offices. Perfect for small spaces. Unlike typical futons, supportive pull-out legs add extra stability when fully extended, so you can sleep soundly. High-resilience sponge stays supportive and resists sagging. Easy to assemble in under 30 minutes, accessories included. At number 2, we have this versatile folding sofa bed. From cozy chair to a 74.8-inch bed in seconds. Perfect for reading, TV, gaming, or a quick nap. Headrest strap and buckle stays put. Lumbar pillow supports natural posture. Use against a wall for best support. Shredded foam molds to you, relieves pressure points, and promotes deep relaxation. Personalized comfort every time. Premium corded fabric with real button tufting. Refined look, soft feel, built to last. Designed for 33.5 by 33.5 by 15.7 inches. Weight limit 400 pounds, shipped vacuum sealed. Let expand 48 hours. No assembly, free delivery, free 30-day returns. Today, 29% off. #1 bestseller on Amazon. Tap to add comfort. At number 3, we have the Shahoo Convertible Folding Futon Sofa Bed, a smart, stylish upgrade for compact living. Switch between 3 positions. Sit for chats, recline for games, or lie flat for restful sleep, instantly. Convert from sofa to bed in seconds. Removable arm pillows and an adjustable backrest create a cozy sleeping space. 2-person seating, up to 500 lbs, with removable armrests and a built-in center cup holder. Durable, easy-clean faux leather and chrome legs. Compact dimensions fit apartments, studios, or offices. Pair with an ottoman to extend sleeping length, perfect for taller users. At number 4, we have a versatile folding sofa bed, MAXYOYO. Switch from cozy seat to guest-ready floor bed in a compact footprint. Ergonomic shredded foam supports back, waist, hips, and legs. Real button tufting keeps comfort evenly distributed, wrapped in soft, durable corduroy. L-shaped foam armrest doubles as a headrest with secure buckle straps. Ships vacuum sealed, stomp, and allow 24-48 hours to fully expand and soften. Need more space? Link 2 units into a roomy L-shaped lounge or a wide family floor bed, perfect for guests, small apartments, and playrooms. Trusted by 500+ buyers last month. Rated 4.0 from 294 reviews, with 30-day refunds. Built with recycled materials and safer chemicals for peace of mind.
At number 5, we have a stylish convertible futon sofa bed. It's the ultimate solution for small spaces, combining comfort and flexibility. With 3 adjustable backrest positions, it's perfect for conversing, watching games, or just relaxing. Need an extra bed for guests? It quickly transforms into a comfortable sleeping space. Plus, the fold-down armrest with built-in cup holders keeps your drinks within reach and reduces clutter. It comfortably accommodates 2 people and supports up to 500 pounds. Stylish, durable, and versatile. The perfect addition to your apartment, dorm, or bonus room.